Welcome, curious minds. Today we're venturing into the most mysterious and complex organ in the human body, the brain. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 mysteries of the human brain. For centuries, scientists and researchers have been trying to unravel the secrets of the brain, yet many questions remain unanswered. From how memories are stored to the true nature of consciousness, the brain continues to fascinate and perplex us. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and leave a comment telling us which brain mystery you find the most intriguing. Let's take a journey inside the mind. 1. The consciousness puzzle. One of the greatest mysteries of the human brain is the question of consciousness. While we all experience it, no one truly understands what consciousness is or how it arises. How does a collection of neurons and electrical impulses create self-awareness, thoughts, emotions, and experiences? This remains one of the most debated topics in neuroscience and philosophy. Many theories exist, but no single answer has been universally accepted. Is consciousness merely a byproduct of brain activity, or is there something more to it? This enigma continues to baffle scientists and thinkers alike. 2. Memory formation. How do we store memories, and why do we forget certain things while others stay with us forever? Despite extensive research, the brain's process of memory formation is still not fully understood. We know that memories are stored in different regions of the brain, but how exactly they are encoded and retrieved remains elusive. Why do some memories fade over time, while others become etched in our minds for a lifetime? Scientists continue to study how long-term and short-term memories are formed, but many aspects remain a mystery. 3. Brain plasticity. The concept of brain plasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and reorganize itself throughout life. While it's known that the brain can adapt to new experiences and learn new things, how it does this is still not fully understood. How do neural pathways form and change when we learn something new or recover from brain injuries? Brain plasticity is an area of active research, and scientists are still uncovering the full extent of the brain's ability to reshape itself. This ability to change is part of why the human brain is so extraordinary, but the underlying mechanisms remain a mystery. 4. The role of dreams. What purpose do dreams serve, and why do we dream? Dreams have been a source of intrigue for centuries. Some researchers believe dreams help process emotions or consolidate memories, while others think they're simply random electrical activity in the brain. But why do some dreams feel so vivid and meaningful, while others are fleeting and nonsensical? The exact purpose of dreaming remains a mystery, but it's clear that they play a vital role in our mental and emotional health. Understanding dreams could unlock more secrets about how the brain works and its connection to consciousness. 5. The placebo effect. The placebo effect is a curious phenomenon in which people experience real changes in their health after receiving an inert substance or treatment simply because they believe it works. This raises the question: how much power does the brain have over our physical well-being? Is the brain capable of healing the body just through belief? Or is there something more mysterious happening? The placebo effect is a clear example of the brain's immense power, but the exact mechanisms behind it are still unclear. How can the brain produce physical changes without any external intervention? 6. The complexity of emotions. While we all experience emotions, understanding how they arise and why we feel certain ways in specific situations is still a mystery. What causes emotions like happiness, sadness, anger, and fear to emerge from our brain's electrical activity? How do these emotions influence our decisions and behaviors? Neuroscientists have made great strides in understanding the areas of the brain involved in emotions, but the deeper question of why emotions exist and how they are triggered remains a mystery. 7. The brain's unused potential. It's often said that humans only use a small fraction of their brains. While this is a myth, there are still many areas of the brain whose full functions remain unclear. For example, certain regions of the brain don't seem to be actively involved in any specific tasks or processes. Why do these parts of the brain exist, and what do they do? Some scientists believe there are hidden functions that we haven't yet discovered, and that we may be capable of abilities far beyond our current understanding. 8. The gut-brain connection. Did you know that your gut may play a larger role in your brain's function than we once thought? The gut-brain connection is a mysterious and fascinating topic in neuroscience. It's known that the brain and the gut communicate with each other through a complex system of signals. but how this communication impacts our mental health, behavior, and cognition is still not fully understood. Why does the gut have such a significant influence on our emotions, stress levels, and even cognitive function? This connection is still a major area of research with plenty of unknowns. 9. The sixth sense. Some people claim to have a sixth sense, the ability to perceive things beyond the 5 physical senses. While there is no scientific evidence for a literal sixth sense, there are many phenomena that the brain experiences that are difficult to explain. For example, how do we sometimes know something is wrong, even when we don't have any concrete evidence? Is there a deeper, subconscious level of perception that we haven't fully understood? The idea of a sixth sense is still a mystery, but it suggests there may be untapped potential in the human brain. 10. Brain health and aging. As we age, our brain undergoes significant changes. But why do some people retain their cognitive abilities longer than others? What causes neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's? And why is it so difficult to prevent or cure them? Scientists are working to understand how the brain ages and why it's so susceptible to certain conditions. While we've learned a lot, many questions remain about how we can maintain brain health as we get older and how we can protect the brain from aging-related diseases. The endless mystery of the brain. The human brain is undoubtedly one of the most complex and mysterious organs in the body. While we've uncovered some of its secrets, many questions remain unanswered. As technology advances and research continues, we may one day unlock even more of the brain's incredible potential. What mystery of the brain do you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and join us for more deep dives into the wonders of the human mind.